Python multiprocessing pipe poll bug. Using pipes for process communication with the multiprocessing library, I noticed some strange behavior of the poll function. If I close the other end of the pipe, poll returns true, which is kind of odd. The Python docs don't really tell what to expect. Still, I was thinking poll would at least return false if there is definitely nothing in the pipe and the other end is even closed. I used Python 3.3.2, but it seems to be the same for Python 2.7.5. Is this intended or a bug, and if it's not a bug, what is it good for?
I don't think this is a bug. I agree, the documentation is not clear in this respect, but there are several reasons why this behavior should be expected, and the opposite would cause more harm than good. Other functions of the same name in different contexts, like the system call poll and socket/file descriptors, do the same. Closing the other end is an event on the pipe, so poll should indicate there is something to be done on this side too. Returning true from the method can be understood as saying that subsequent RIC will not block, exactly the case here. Calling poll with a non-zero timeout or with none would mean blocking even when there is nothing to wait for, when the other side has closed. Also note that there would be no good means of detecting that the other end closed, if poll returned false.